Hi, did you know that it's really early over here? And it's not really time for breakfast yet, so I decided to make something because I got it from my camp. Do you know what this is? It's a tie-dye shirt. I made it, but the teachers helped me put the colors on. Oh, and look, there's a color that looks like a heart in the middle. Oh, and there's also white and stuff outside here. Is it beautiful? The teacher told me that I could choose a spiral, fireworks, or the heart, and I chose the heart. And I have two best friends named Emma and Cheryl, and they also chose the heart. Let me tell you how I made this shirt. Okay, so wait, first I'm gonna go and get the paper, okay? These are the steps. First, you put it in a bag, okay? If you wanna do this heart, then you have to put it in a bread, but I don't know how to, so I can't tell you, but you have to put it in a bag, okay? But first you need to give it color and then put it in the bag. So I already done that with my teachers yesterday at camp. And then when you get home, like if you're at camp and then your teacher gives it to you, and then when you get home, then you have to leave it in the bag for 24 hours, okay? And then you can get it out of the bag and then wash it. I already done that, but I didn't, I already washed it because you need to wash all of the color that was falling out of, and then you'll get this kind of, and then you have to take the rubber bands out because you'll have rubber bands if you want to do the spiral or the heart fireworks, okay? So, and then you have to remove the rubber bands. Already done that part, and then wash it again, and then you have to wash, and then you open it and then wash it until there is nothing, like no color falling off from it. So you have to do that. And then you have to wash it in the laundry machine and then dry it in the laundry machine too. And you have to do that by yourself. Actually, this clothes needs to be by itself when you're washing it or drying it. Okay? And now I'm gonna go to the laundry room and then wash it. Okay? And back to what's behind me. It looks like maybe this thing. So, I changed the right clothes because I was just back from summer camp and I took a shower because I went swimming, so that's why my hair looks a little bit damp and it looks like it's been washed, right? Okay, so can you guess what's behind my back? Okay, I'll tell you. So that's this thing, the dye shirt, the tie-dye shirt, and I'm already done putting it in the washing machine. Oh, and I didn't dry it. I just dried it in the sun. My mom helped me do that. So look, this isn't really wet now. Do you want to see me wear it? Come on. And here's the changing room, but I'm not gonna show you it, okay? Okay, so now I'm done changing. Do you like it? You can make it at home, but first you need it wet, okay? And then you can also join this camp, and it is called Camp Rinconada, I think. Rinconada. Okay, so if you go there, I think on the second or third or first day, you're gonna make your tie-dye shirt, and your teacher will also let you pick what you want what you want for your picture. Okay, like you could pick a heart like me, or a spiral, or I think fireworks, yeah. Bye, I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.